Yeah.
Well, same.
How many coins do you have? Do you know?
No.
If you want Lucy, you have to have like 7,000. So don't waste your coins on boxes and stuff.
Oh, there.
I'd at least waste some on hoverboards unless you need it.
No, hoverboards don't matter. Just keep the basic hoverboard. Don't waste your coins. Don't waste your coins to keep going either, though. Because I mean, you could play another match without wasting your coins, and then that would just save your progress.
Does
in
it
that
record
one match.
what we're saying?
I think so.
What?
Subway Surfers is awesome, though. I love it.
Pretty hush. This records what we're saying.
So?
I wonder what the viewers are gonna think when they hear the gunshots in the background. They're gonna be like, "What the frick? This lady's crazy."
Brayden,
There's
they can hear you
gunshots."
now.
So,
How long is you can record that thing for hours.
yeah, you can.
Well, unless your tablet dies. You probably want to get it uploaded before your tablet dies.
Yeah.
But, like, if it's charged and it'll stay for hours, so do it. Or if you could keep on your charger so that it'll stay playing. Yeah.
So when we're done with this, you guys are probably going to have to go home because, like my mom said, we have to go and pick up the pizza.
How long do you think it takes to cook? What did you
Well,
order?
I'm going pizza, but we're going to have to go in, like, we'll come back, eat, and by that time, well, I don't really know what time it is right now, so we can't really stop playing games, unless I want it to be over. I'm going to try to play until I die.
You're good.
Pretty really?
What?
Her high score is 10,000 miles. My high score was like 72, and I kept getting like bronze awards and stuff for it.
Yeah, but her only to have Jake and Tricky. That's good. I'm terrible. And I don't have Tricky yet. I have one Tricky hat.
I
pretend
I want Jake's star outfit. It looks awesome.
I got Jake's dark outfit.
I have Jake's dark outfit.
I know. I meant the star outfit.
Oh.
Like the one that's orange and something. Stopped right on the dot.
What?
Did it Homer? Here, go to the hit that. You get free coins for that. You probably finish
I need,
yeah, you get keys for completing quests.
Ooh, 3 keys.
Hallelujah. You can buy like skins with keys, so that's why I would prefer not to waste them.
Quirks.
Like I do.
Oh, you have a gift. Like a free gift in boards.
See, there's the dark outfit,
Good.
and then, yeah, I don't have that star outfit yet.
That's
Collect the
hard.
boards. You have a free gift.
Boards?
Yeah. Hit the present.
Yeah.
Free.
And now you have like a Star Trek. Because behind
Do you have
us-
the Halloween board yet?
Where's that?
No, I meant like the one that you collect 20 of those skulls.
This one?
No, the Halloween board. Collect 20 of those, and you get like a pumpkin board for free.
Oh.
I have it.
Yeah, I don't
Oh, yours. Oh,
mine is still just like the original Subway Surfer, so.
Mine updates for whatever.
Upload the video.